Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, sorry, right about now it's around, what time is it? It's 2:30 p.m. I just woke up 2 hours ago. I was so tired yesterday because I was moving to my new house, and yeah, so I just want to fill you up on what's up, on what's going on, show you around, because we are planning to be consistent. Amen. So I arrived here in the evening, so I had already brought a few things and just fill you in as time goes by. So basically I want to clean because everything is everywhere, guys. If you see my house, oh my goodness, my house is in a mess, a very big mess. So I need to like arrange everything, from the clothes to the utensils to cleaning the floors, the walls, like, oh my gosh. So I'm not overwhelmed, of course. So yeah, so let's start. Let me show you the before. I'll take a bit of clips during the cleaning and arranging part. So guys, I'm standing at the entrance, and oh, look at that mess. Oh my goodness, we have a lot to do. We have a bunch of things to do. I'm basically showing you a house tour. I'm low-key showing you guys a house tour. So yeah, that's about what we have. The wardrobes, I've already cleaned that part. Oh, then this part, oh my goodness, there's a lot to be done. Then the washroom, there's a lot to be done. Then this is the kitchen area. Yeah, there's a lot of unpacking and a lot of arranging we need to do. This was my meal yesterday. I cooked rice and mayai. So yeah, we have a lot to do. I was really tired yesterday, so I slept. I didn't do a lot. So we actually need to unwrap this cooker with you guys. I didn't have the, what is it called, the thing that's supposed to connect this to the cooker, so I used electricity. That's why we have it over here. So yeah guys, stay tuned. I even haven't eaten. You see the bread over there? Oh my goodness, like wow, this is a lot. So yeah, let me show you the balcony as well. I had washed clothes before moving, and these ones apparently were not dry. That's why I had to dry them over here. So yeah, let's clean this small space.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Guys, it's I don't know how many hours later. The house is clean. Yep. So yeah, I need to add a few things like bed sheets, because I got big pillows for here for my bed. Then also I'll also need to add curtains, because you see I only have shears. Yeah, so yeah, the house is a bit organized. I still have a few more things to add. I will definitely add them as time goes by. Yeah, to have a table. Whew. Yeah, so my wardrobe is full. Full. I was actually thinking of getting something like this. I'll get a fundi to like create another one here, so that I arrange these things over here. Then I'll put more clothes here, because I don't like the way there are a lot like this. Plus I don't like having clothes at the bottom. So here I have the shoes and my handbags. What's here? Okay, these are books. Yeah, books. I'll put them in my desk when I get it, because I need to order. I'll order or just get it from town. That's my kitchen area. I actually unboxed the Sophorias, but unfortunately I found out that this one, the second smallest and the smallest, didn't come with the lids. I think we left them in at the shop while we were checking them. Then also I didn't arrange the spices over here, so that I'll do tomorrow. But yeah, the utensils are okay. Oops. Chazilali hivyo man. Yeah, so everything is clean. I unboxed this without the camera cause guys, hey, my phone has been misbehaving because of storage. So I've like spent a lot of time deleting old videos. Yeah, but that's about it. These curtains my mom gave me when I was joining campus, and I like I haven't used them for a while, but yeah, I'll get new ones. Then I have this. I think it doesn't mean that we don't have fresh water around. We do have water. See, yeah, we have a lot of water. So this one I will use it for drinking water and cooking, because in Mombasa it's salty. Yeah guys, that's the simple house tour. So it's at night. I want to sleep guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye from my tiny little paradise. Is it paradise or home? Yeah, bye guys.